Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Waterfall City Heliport, Midrand 2066, South Africa for R10,490,000. Based on 1,280 square meters of landscaped property, this 690 square meter designer home is an elegant blend of molded glass and light, from double-volume glass walls and floor-to-ceiling stacker doors, to skylights, multi-sided views and a floating staircase. Tempered by the warmth of natural African touches, wood and carefully positioned feature walls, the living and entertainment areas offer a sense of tranquility, space and openness, without sacrificing privacy. The dining room extends onto a covered entertainment deck and sparkling pool, complemented by rolling green lawn and a built-in fire pit. The home includes a sleek, open-plan kitchen and breakfast room, dining room, lounge and study, as well as bar and glass-encased wine room and entertainer and wine connoisseur's dream. The clean, cool lines and stylish finishing touches such as plantation shutters, extend upstairs to the 4 bedrooms, all with full ensuite bathrooms. Built-in top-of-the-ranges technology ensures absolute comfort and convenience. This includes sensor lighting, audio control and integrated speakers in selected rooms and entertainment areas, air-reticulated heating and cooling, centrally controlled irrigation, solar pool and water features, as well as a central vacuum system. Domestic quarters, scullery and laundry and 3 garages complete this exquisite home. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.